How to add phone number to Facebook page. Now, the very first thing you're going to do if you were to add a phone number to Facebook page is to tap on this main menu button right here and tap on this arrow down icon right here. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to switch to your Facebook page and tap on that username. And now that you have successfully switched to your Facebook page, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu right here and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down again until you find Access Your Information right here. You just have to click on that and tap on Personal Information. Click on that again and tap on See More right here. Once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you find Your Contact Information. You just have to tap on that and click on Add Phone Number right here on your contact info. Click on that, and now you can add a phone number to your Facebook page. You just have to tap on that and type in your mobile number. Once you're done typing your mobile number, all you have to do is to tap on Save, and it will automatically be saved to your Facebook page. So that's how to add phone number to Facebook page. Hope we help.